Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one simple use case. Yeah, in this use case, I'm just trying to find out the distance between two different locations. Yeah, I have provided two drop downs. Let me say this is my source drop down and this is my destination drop down. Okay, in this drop down, I'm just going to show you the list of locations. Okay, in both the drop downs, I'm going to show you what the list of locations. Let me say this is your source drop down. Okay, and this is my destination drop down. Okay, so from the source and destination, yes, we can go and select what can go and select the location. Let me say if I have selected the location like Hyderabad. Okay, so from Hyderabad, and the destination location, let me say I have selected Vijayawada. Okay. Now I need to calculate, I need to display the distance between these two locations. Okay, yeah. So not only these two locations, we do have different sources and destinations. Okay, yeah, we can go and select any of the source or any of the destination, and we can find out the distance between them. Okay, so and that distance I'm going to display over here. Okay, so this is what a simple use case which I wanted to show you, and let me show you the exact implementation of it. Okay, so yeah, I just created a flow. Okay, and in yeah, behind I created few more rules which are helping me to uh, achieve this requirement. Okay, first of all, let us see the output of this use case. Okay, so let us go and run this flow now. Yeah, let me click on done. Now you can see we have from drop down and way to drop down, right? So from drop down you can see the list of locations, and from way to drop down also you can see list of locations. Okay, so let me say if I'm selecting from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. So what is the distance? We got 300. Let me say from Vijayawada to Warangal. Let me say the distance is 150. And the same way from Vijayawada to Vijayawada. Okay, what is the distance I got? 0. Let me say I have selected Vishakhapatnam to uh, Guntur. I got distance as 500. Okay, let me change the destination location. See, from Vishakhapatnam to Guntur it is 500, right? Now let me change the destination location. Yes, from Vishakhapatnam to Hyderabad. So the distance is 600, right? So yeah, so I hope you understood this use case. Okay, and if you want to know, or if you want to know how to implement these kind of use cases, yeah, so you can contact to my number which is provided in my channel itself. Yeah, okay, so thank you for watching this use case demonstration. Yeah, happy learning.